filter our data. To filter further inside our data. For example, let's say when you have multiple conditions that you want your query to satisfy. Okay. For example, you guys are searching for some data. Let's say maybe you guys are searching for how many students are coming from India, Telangana, countries and different states. Okay. Now here you need to find Tamil Nadu and specifically from Chennai. For example, so your condition will be select star from table name where country is Chennai, country is India and state is Tamil Nadu and city is Chennai. So what you are trying to do here is you are giving three conditions and you want all of these three conditions to be satisfied. If any one of the condition is missing, your data is missing. It's inaccurate. In such scenarios, what you will do is you will make use of operators. Along with operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and special or wildcard operators. Operator types that we have in SQL. What are those? Arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and special or wildcard operators. Now, what are arithmetic operators? Are operators which are used to perform arithmetic calculations, okay, or arithmetic operations. They are plus, minus, dividend, multiplication, and remainder. Okay, plus, minus, percentile, that is remainder, multiplication, and dividend. Okay, any operators that are used to perform. What you will do is you will use these operators to filter your data based on certain conditions. Okay, for operators you will use along with clauses and without clauses. Only arithmetic operators to perform arithmetic calculations. Okay, now why you will use these operators are there are different scenarios. For example, let's say you have monthly salary in your table. In your salary column, you have a. It should go to all the values in my column. Whichever column I am trying to compare that value, it has to go there. Check if that value is present in that column only. If it is present, it will fetch the data. If it is not present, it will simply skip the record. Okay. So these are the operators that we will use. So if I want to do opposite of my condition, for example, where job is clerk. If I want job is not equals to clerk, I will use not equals. If I have numerical values where I want to compare, where salary is greater than some value or less than some value or maybe higher date or maybe some date which is greater than something or less than something. So based on my requirement, I can make use of these operators. So usually comparison operators except equals to and not equals to, other comparison operators we will not use along with strings. It will not make sense. Except equals to and not equals to, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than and equal to. Those are mostly used with integer values or decimal values. Basically numerical values. Okay. Next is logical operator. Logical operator are and, or, between and,